Hello friends, I was thinking of showing you how to draw a sliced orange, lime and lemon. I had recently done a watercolor on it. If in the description below I have provided the link to that video. Have a look at it and you can do it very quickly and simply. You can see the size varies according to the size of the orange, lemons and limes we see originally outside. So I have chosen orange as a bigger one and lemon as a medium size and lime as a little smaller version. It's really easy, quick to draw, and it will be a nice artwork for your kitchen and those. Okay, let's start. Let's take a lid or something which we can, bigger one. Take 3 sizes and draw a circle around it. So as these are the sliced ones, we'll just draw a circle. So I found this lid which was big enough, and I found this rice cup, so which was good for lemon. As you can see, I have placed overlapping the first circle, but this will be the one which will be behind, so I am not drawing the overlapping part. And the one I have inverted and drew a smaller circle. Finish the rounds neat and gently. Don't press the pencil hard on the paper. Find a center point and then draw a small circle. That's just for our guidance. And draw 2 straight lines you think which are gonna make the shape, and then continue them to almost to the end of the circle, and gently draw line with the line going with the circle, and do the same thing with the opposite one, and draw curved corners for those. Again draw one which is in between these two, and then you can draw them equal. Try to draw them equal shapes. If they are big also, that's fine, as nature comes in different sizes. And then, so if you want, you can make more thinner ones or more thicker ones, and few thicker ones. It's up to you. Make sure the corners are rounded and they are close to the outer circle, and draw the lines really close to each other. Don't draw the shapes very far away. Don't leave lot of gap in between them. Draw them really close to each other, because there is just skin in between each other. Let's try to make it as realistic as possible. So, and this one. So totally we have got is 8 of the orange things. After you do this, if you don't feel that they are too close or too wide, they are big, small, just go ahead and make the changes. You can do whatever you want. It's your artwork, so it should be your idea. Let's do the same thing for the lemon. I'm doing the same thing because this way I thought it's easy, and I thought they are coming out correct proportions, exact same height and all those things. If you're using a compass to make the circles, you already will know the centers, so that shouldn't be an issue. You kids can use a ruler to make this and draw lines from the center, so it will be easy, like a wheel. So make a wheel and then take it from there. They can do that. So here we are done with. Then I'm getting my orange Sharpie to draw on the lines. I was thinking it's coming out black, so I'll erase most of the lines and then we can go ahead from there. See, unnecessary, it's coming out blackish orange, not good one. As we have drawn very lightly the pencil, we haven't used lot of stress, we would be able to erase it neat and tidily. So that's it. You can leave these small lines, that's fine, faded lines. Even when you're doing on any paintings or something, first draw them nice and then erase them. See how this line orange looks nice and fresh. Just doing an outline. Just doing an outline. Go slow. I know I'm doing it really quick. We can go little slow. After this outlines, do the main circle outline which we had done. The center, no, we are not going to draw the circle in the center, and we'll do this circle, the circle. Then for the inner ones, I'm going to come with a thinner Sharpie marker. This will nicely go in the kitchen or restaurants, gift to your friends and all. Coming back with a thinner Sharpie. I'm doing the lines and then some longer U's, thinner ovals you can call, to make it look as if it's a lot of juicy still inside. It's freshly cut. You can see as I'm going, I did some lines and then I'm coming back and giving them some shapes. Keep continuing this for all the inside part of the orange. Make sure you're drawing like a longer 6 or a U or a thin oval, and try to use as ultra fine point pens for this kind of work. And similar way, do the lime and lemon. So lime I'm gonna do with a green one, and lemon I'm doing it with a yellow one. You can see how they turned out. It came very nice. Do the dots almost to the end of the circle where they look like the orange spots are still there. Do the same thing for the lime and lemon too. Look at it, it looks nice. Now let's do some shadow. Just small lines as if they are on a table or something, like they are half cut, not full cut, they are just half. They are not slices, they are cut into half. They are one kind of one behind each other. And then let's make the top part little thicker, as if we can see little bit behind the lemons, limes and oranges both. Here I have come with a little darker green, and this is the orange. Yes, I was able to overlap it because it was yellow. I was able to overlap it and it came very nice. I really liked how they turned out. The leaves you are seeing is the one which I have done for my artwork. So yes, please watch the other video and please like, share and comment. Thank you for subscribing.